In this video, I would like to show you how to view previous stored records on CAM720. Open your camera app. Tap to go live. Tap down here SD card. This red spots is the stored recordings. Drag to move to where you want to view. You can also view the previous records by selecting the date and the time. When you drag it back, it loads and start playing the previous stored records. You can see the time of the record here, 19:28:03. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. Bye.